Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you uh, how you can make bass boost of your audio video in CapCut. You see, you can select your video with the zone and to make the bass boost. So I have a simple trick that you have to do. Right click on the clip and separate audio. So just copy paste the audio and copy paste again until some part, and you can listen the audio again. How you can hear how you can hear in the audio for different, right? That's a simple trick to make the passwords of video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.